Okay, hello again, Green River faculty. Here's another video on some of the stuff you can do in the new Rich Content Editor. So this one we're going to look at inserting videos. This is different than embedding something from YouTube or bringing in something from Panopto. Here we're talking about files that you may have either in your course files or on your actual computer. So the place that we do that is kind of in the middle of the Rich Content Editor here. It's this button that looks like a play button with a musical note on it. So if we click on that drop down, you can see we have a few different options: upload, record media, course media, and user media. Now you can house course and user media in separate places. We're not going to go over that here. But for most folks, you're probably going to use the upload or record media. So this gives you kind of two options. You can either upload a file that you have on your computer, or you can record a new file. So we'll go over both of those, but first we'll upload one. And all you have to do is click on this box here and navigate to whatever file it is you want to upload. This is one my son took of my dog. And go ahead and click submit. And if it's a bigger file, it'll take a while. It should be noted, though, that through this functionality, you only are allowed to upload files of 500 megabytes or smaller. So if you have a really huge file, you'll need to figure out a way to cut the size down, either by lowering the resolution or something like that. This is a really small file, so it should only take a second to upload. Now, once you have your video inside the editor here, you can click on it and pull up some additional options. You can see the video options show up here, and you can change the title, which might be useful if it's got a title like this, which is not very detailed. And you can choose to either embed the video directly inside the content or display a link that will open it in a new browser tab. Or you can also change the size based on the file that you uploaded. And if you have closed captioning files, you can insert them here as well. And then once you're done, there you go. You're all done. Okay. So now the video is inside of my content. Okay. Now the other option that I have here is I can, from this upload media button, I can choose to record directly in here. So when I click on that, it's going to ask me, do I want to allow the website to use my camera and my microphone? And I'm going to say yeah. Now, right now, it's not showing the camera because I'm recording this video. So, but normally you would see a preview of your camera there as well. So right now, all it's going to be able to record is my mic. But basically, this starts up, and then you can start recording an audio clip or a video clip directly within Canvas. So you can see if we click start recording, it's going to count down. And then now we're recording this content. And when we're done recording it, we're going to hit finish. And you can preview it there. And then you can change the title within here if you need to. That's fine for us. And we're going to save. And then it's going to do the same thing. It's going to render that content. Now that was really quick because that's just a 6-second audio clip. If you record a video message this way, it can take a while to upload. So just be patient, especially if you record something that's, say, 10 minutes long. It can take quite a while for this to get to Canvas. But this is often useful if you're responding to students in, say, a discussion board or something like that, and they've had kind of, many students have had the same question. You can record a quick video response directly through Canvas here. And sometimes that's easier than answering the same question, 20 times in an email or something like that. So anyway, there you go. Uploading your own content or recording new content directly into the Rich Content Editor.